Welcome back to The Weekender. We're all about slow adventures, upgrading our little micro camper van, and trying not to destroy everything in the process.
If you look carefully, you can see the blood.
If you like what we're doing, please subscribe and click the bell.
All right, another Sunday, another cold one, and we're out today to go ahead and optimize the van. Again, going to Home Depot to get some wood purchased, and then might head off to Dollarama to find some backsplash stuff. Always optimizing the van, and it is really chilly today, so hopefully it warms up just a little bit. Fun times.
First stop, Home Depot. We're grabbing some half-inch Baltic birch plywood for a new backsplash shelf. Of course, we need other things too. We're making sure to pick out the best piece of wood this time.
Yeah.
No weird knots or warping or whatever.
Oh no!
They also offer 3 free cuts with any wood purchase, which saves us the hassle of hand sawing this down ourselves in the back of our parking lot. So watching this guy cut our wood is oddly satisfying. With everything ready to go, it's time to wheel it out.
Clean new base. We're very excited. Team effort. I do the little ones. He does the big ones.
Look at that, eh?
Ooh.
Like a glove.
Yeah, baby.
Wow. I didn't think it was gonna fit.
Yeah.
Are you freaking kidding me?
Okay.
Oh well, things happen, right? So time to head home and start prepping. First, you gotta get gear ready. Then you have to take your time sanding everything smooth so we don't get splinters every time we touch it.
Making shelves and YouTube. Only about an hour of sanding, and we got these 3 huge, nice Baltic birch panels ready to go. Can't wait to start putting those shelves together.
It's time to install the new bed centerpiece because the old one was just scrap wood and it really looked awful.
We wanted to create a little bit more storage underneath the bed. So this used to have a slat that went right across it right there, kind of a design feature that we had in the very beginning. And we quickly realized that we couldn't really access anything underneath there. So I tried to get the screws off, but they were all stripped. So I had to hacksaw them off yesterday. And I'm kind of glad that I wasn't filming it because I cut myself and bled everywhere. If you look carefully, you can see the blood from when I cut myself yesterday. So as you can see, we can now put this basket full of stuff right in there. Slide it all the way in the back. Another basket right here. Probably going to put our shoes in it because that would be perfect for coming in the van on the side door here. Boom. Pull it in, pull it out.
Then back upstairs to lacquer the remaining pieces of the Baltic birch plywood. Please note, I am not a carpenter. I have never done anything like this before, and we're just coming up with ideas trying to execute them. Some work, some don't. But this one's looking pretty good so far, right? Speaking of ideas, we head off to Windsor Plywood because T had another great one. To finish off the backsplash, we chose a nice piece of light hemlock. Meanwhile, T is in charge of the whole peel and stick backsplash. No pressure.
Just getting the right.
Hey, you take your time. She's calm and precise. I, on the other hand, am way too shaky for this.
This one's tricky. Oh, look, it's hard.
But I can do the trimming with a guide. And of course, it's time to put it all together. Not too shabby.
Do backsplash for the pull-out kitchen. This way it should ensure that the blankets on the bed will not get dirty or full of any cooking juices. Cool little design.
That's it for this one. If you love slow van life adventures, cozy DIY projects, and stealth camper upgrades, hit subscribe and stick around. More laid-back builds coming soon.